on the swing right over there. And I will take footage of how fun this is, so people can see what it looks like when I go on the swing. Here's Hank's pool. Saw that earlier, not here. Here's the swing. Very nice, clean swing. Get off, okay. Now, I will be getting onto the swing, and I will fly. Simple enough. I'll hold on to it with my armpit because it's a safe spot. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay. Oh, this is scary. Okay, I don't want to try the GoPro. See Hank's pool. Keep it on spinning. Woohoo! That's Mama's garden. And that's me right there. How many minutes is it? 1. Okay. Let's reload. I'm gonna go. Whoa. Okay, I'm good. We're gonna go a little higher now. Just to see how fun this is. I'll show an example with my foot. See how high that is from the ground. Oh my gosh. I almost ran into the plants. Okay, I'm holding on to the GoPro. Woo! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna fall. Okay, that's a new house. Here's Hank's pool. Oh my garden. That's the tree that I want to talk about. Oh, that's weird. Nice view of the trees here. It's beautiful. Let's do a little bit higher because I'm crazy. And why not? I don't know. I'm sorry. The beautiful sky. It's so pretty. Okay. One day I want to build a really cool Minecraft house, but that's not important right now. The important thing is flying. Woo! Oh gosh. Dang it. Okay, there we go. Ah! Here's me flying. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. This is crazy. Okay. Well, here's Hank's pool again, and there's the porch up there. Oh, there's inside the tree. There's the porch. And then there somewhere. And there's beautiful crown garden. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, like I was saying, we're gonna get off on the veranda. Because why not? Okay. Then over here, the really pretty flowers. And you walk up this way. Over to here. And this is Rena's garden area. To enjoy it. And those pretty flowers and leaves. And the rabbits. And the peaches. The yellow flowers up there. Flamingo hiding right there. You can see it, but it's there. And then here's this porch area. And then you got these rocks. There's like a little area there. When you go up here, there's my dad's car with a stitch on top of it. And then here, you go on top of the porch. Here's the porch area. I'm not gonna go up there because there's baby gate. their dog. And then this is the ground. This is the car. And this is the other car.